eto na yan, nagawa natin. Naabot na natin yung pangarap natin.
When you say bayani or heroes, sila po yung mga tao na nagbibigay ng dangal sa ating bansa. No other day can be as perfect as today because we are all here to celebrate our generation's hero. It is with great honor to introduce the first Filipino to secure double Olympic gold medals, Carlos Hedriel Yulo!
I think it's a great time to have this ceremonial turnover of a first home to Carlos this National Heroes Day because he is indeed a hero to all of us. Carlos, napatumbling kami sa saya. Here at Century Properties, we believe in the same values that Carlos has, which brought him to where he is right now.
Pangarap ko po talaga ayun yung pinaka mabigat po na pinangahawakan ko din po. Binigay ko yung best preparation para sa sarili ko, para sa performance na yun.
Hindi magiging posible ang Olympic journey mo without the support of the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines. Kaya naman, meron po kaming ibibigay na regalo para po sa inyo.
They knew how hard we worked together and we had a lot of challenges. He had the passion to win that medal. So I knew putting my money in him and his work is worth every centavo. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts for your help. Thank you.
Pinakita sa atin ni Carlos kung gusto natin, kakayanin natin. Sa inyo rin, kung gustuhin nyo, kakayanin ninyo. In behalf of First Homes, we would like to present this afternoon a gift, Carlos Yulo, as a symbol of our thanks in behalf of our company and the whole Filipino nation.
We are proud to present him with a single attached home at First Editions Patulao. So thank you for your hard work, passion, and dedication, as well as for inspiring us.
Thank you po, first, grabe, sa gift na binigay niyo po sa akin. Alagaan, poprotektahan ko rin po. Sobrang overwhelmed po and grateful po talaga sa regalo niyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po.
Once again, give it up for our Olympic double gold medalist and our newest First Bahay, Carlos Yulo!
Super proud and sobrang happy ko po talaga nung nagawa ko po. Enjoy yung moment and be grateful.